This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about disposable cake bases, specifically these SturdyServe bases. They're meant for individual portions of desserts, whether that's slices of cake, little mini pies, or other treats and pastries. And they come in 3 different configurations. We have the gold triangle, which measures approximately 4 3/4 inches long by 3 inches wide and is perfect for little slices of tarts, torts, or cake. We also have the square gold base, which measures approximately 2 3/4 inches square, so on each side. And then the round gold, which is about 3 inches in diameter. So these make great little presentations for things like mini cheesecakes, pies, tarts, even things like cupcakes, or anything that you want to give a little, a nice little platform so that it can be handled easily, so that it can be displayed, whether that's in your bakery counter, on a dessert table, or if you're doing things like past desserts or apps. These are a great little base to have. They're made of super sturdy, high quality paper that makes them stable and even allows you to do things like use the square round ones as coasters. So kind of a double whammy if you're doing an event and you need something to maybe pass some apps and desserts on, but also something to use as a coaster. Being able to order one item to fit all 3 is a fantastic little feature. Now, I love these for things like mini pies and tarts and pastries, and that gold, it just adds that little bit of special elegance to them, gives it a little bit of a reflective sparkle and just kind of helps to dress things up. And so these are great for parties and events, but also for bakeries or pastry shops if you want to display things like slices of cakes in individual portions so that they're easy to pack up when people come in and just want a slice of something, or small pastries and petit fours, or even tiny little mini bomb desserts. So these are a fantastic little line of little SturdyServe bases that work for a variety of different cakes and pastries and are great for different settings, whether it's a retail setting where you just want to have those individual servings ready to go and easy to pack up for customers when they come in and are waiting in the line, or if you're looking to do a beautiful presentation for a buffet for an event, whether it's corporate or a wedding.